In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic logo slider using Wix Editor. This tool is a fantastic way to showcase your logos in a dynamic and engaging style that will capture your audience's attention. To get started, we're going to open the Wix Editor in the Chrome browser. While you could use other browsers like Firefox or Safari, Chrome tends to provide the smoothest experience due to its robust and modern engine, which ensures everything runs seamlessly. Once you have Wix Editor open, you'll want to navigate to the Add button, typically situated on the left-hand side of your screen. From the options that appear, look for sliders and carousels. This is where you'll find the sliders, which are an excellent tool for displaying multiple images in an interactive and visually pleasing manner. After clicking on sliders and carousels, you'll be presented with a variety of styles. Take your time to explore these options and select a slider or carousel that fits best with the design and theme of your website. Each option has unique properties, so choose the one that will highlight your logos most effectively. Once you've decided on a slider, the next step is uploading your logo images. Simply click on the slider element to open the editing menu, where you'll see an option to manage the slides. Here, you will find the Upload Media button, which allows you to add your logo images from your computer. Make sure your images are high quality to ensure clarity and professionalism in your display. With your logos uploaded, it's time to set the slider to autoplay and loop infinitely. These settings are critical if you want your logos to continuously transition, creating a dynamic experience for visitors. In the slider settings, look for checkboxes or toggles for autoplay and loop. Make sure these are both enabled so that once a visitor lands on the page, the slider starts moving automatically and rotates through the images perpetually. Now let's adjust the slide speed and transition style. This step is where you can customize how smoothly and quickly your logos move. Generally, a medium pace works best to ensure each logo is visible long enough for visitors to recognize it without losing their attention due to sluggishness or excessive speed. For the transition style, you have options like fade, slide, or reveal. Choose the one that best complements your website's aesthetic while keeping your visitors' engagement in mind. Once you're satisfied with these settings, it's essential to save your work. Look for the Save button in the top right corner of the editor, click it, and then proceed to hit Publish. Publishing will push your changes live, making your logo slider visible to all visitors of your site. And there you have it, your eye-catching logo slider is now ready to enhance your website's visual appeal. Be sure to preview your website for any final adjustments and enjoy the upgraded visitor experience.